Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Unreal, and let me show one of the most useful plugins for me right now. It's the actor locker, and it will allow you to lock your assets so you don't accidentally click on them. Very useful if you have lots of assets in your level, and it will certainly save you some nerves. Just go to Marketplace, type in over here actor locker, select this, just click install to engine, and the good thing is that it supports 5.4 Unreal Engine version. And if you go to Unreal, go to edit, go to plugins, and over here type in actor locker and enable it. Restart your engine, and after you restart your engine, you can see on the right side in the outliner that you see this lock icon. For example, you don't want to select your floor all the time accidentally, or your landscape. If you have your levels, just select your floor, landscape, or whatever you want, and just click over here lock, and it will be locked. This means that you can't even select this. You can select all the things around it, but not the floor. And this is super nice. And to go back, just click this unlock. You have a GitHub page about this plugin, so you can check out the hotkeys over here if you want to do this faster, and you can check out all the latest issues. You have the links in the description. And if this was helpful, let me know in the comments below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.